in this video, I'm just going to go over some of the projects I've been working on. I haven't obviously uploaded a video in over 2 years. And I got a little email from YouTube like, hey, bud, you still alive? So, yeah, I'm still alive. Um, Still doing projects, still working on repairing, fixing, and building things. I just haven't really videoed any of it, haven't uploaded anything. Um, Not for lack of projects, but just doing other things, just living life and raising kids and having fun. And my youngest is 17 now and recently got his license and he's been driving. And anyhow, yeah, that's it, just living life. But I figured we'd go over some of the projects I've been working on for the last couple years and just brief descriptions. I really don't have any videos of showing the process, but I can show you the end results anyhow. So here's one of the projects. This is my new truck, 2020 Tacoma. This was bought wrecked, totaled from Copart. It's an auction site. It was hit here in the rear left, smashed all of that in, tacoed the wheel. So that required paint, body work, all sorts of bumper parts, tail lights, a new wheel, new tires. The windshield was cracked, so it got a new windshield. Yeah, so there's something I worked on. I'll insert a picture now of what it looked like before we fixed it. So this is my battery backup, and I changed out all 4 of the batteries in this. It used to have lead acid, and I swapped those out to lithium iron phosphate. So I basically doubled my capacity in the same footprint just by swapping out battery chemistry. All the cables were updated to 1/0. There's a couple of bus bars in the back, which each battery lands on. Each battery goes through a 150 amp Class T fuse. There's also a shunt in there that was added so I can monitor incoming and outgoing voltage, amperage. I can check the status of the battery via how much full it is. Yeah, all kinds of neat stuff updated on this battery cart to make it more useful. And this was another project, my son's truck. First week of school, he hit an F-350 head-on with this corner here. This wheel was pointing at the sky, so it was all smashed up. Required a new hood, a new fender, a new-to-us door, tons of body work, upper control arm, grill, headlight bucket assembly, marker light, turn signals, bumper, lower bumper valance, tons of body work and paint. I'll insert a picture now of what that looked like. This little garage is another project we built, start to finish. Poured the slab, built the steel frames, put all the skin on it, the doors in it. Poured this little slab here. And then this slab runs all the way out, about 80 feet down to the street with a curb cut. So this whole driveway's new. That was another project we did. So this is my latest project. This is a 1978 Kubota B6100 4-wheel drive. It's got a little 3-cylinder diesel in it. Makes about 14 horse at the crank, about 12 horse at the PTO. And I put a ton of work into this thing. Weeks and weeks of work. It was in really bad shape when we got it. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures now. Kind of show you what it looked like when we brought it home. So weeks of work went into this Kubota. A tree had fallen across the hood area, smashed the steering wheel. The hood was big old tacoed. The fuel tank was smashed. It was in ugly shape. It was rusty everywhere. Lack of maintenance for who knows how long. And anyhow, we built this rollover protection system, the ROPS bar for it. paint work, painted all the running gear, all the wheels, all the body work, tons of body work in that hood. New LED lights. My son designed and 3D printed a new hood ornament for it, or emblem. Mounted the stack vertically and then added this stack on top of it that used to stick straight out forward. Lots and lots and lots of work into this Kubota. I don't know why. I don't really have any need for it, but someday I might. I just always wanted one. And here's the Zip in its shiny but dusty glory. Looking every bit as good as the day I finished it. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because who wouldn't want a new video every 2 years? Rate and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.